Hey everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve.
And I'm Uncle Don.
Guess what? It's Christmas here at Disneyland.
And we are here on November the 15th, opening night for Christmas at Disney.
And it's going to be snow tonight. I can't wait. Maybe no fireworks or windy here, but there will be snow, so that's fine.
So anyway, hang with us. We're going to try some food. We're going to look at all the sights. So come along with us. So we're trying to get on the Raiders. The ride is like 35 minutes, so that's like crazy. So practically a walk-on.
Very lucky.
Wow, so Steven's gonna film because I don't do good filming on fast rides.
Yeah, you're going to drop the camera.
So here we go.
The brakes may be needing a little adjustment, but easy on the curves.
Treasure of Mara, glittering gold, it is yours. a try, will you?
Wow.
I think the best part is only wait like maybe 10 minutes.
I know it. It was like crazy fast.
Super fast.
All right. We are making our way over to the Rivervale Terrace for some dinner, and they, according to Steve, they have some holiday items on the menu. So anyway, let's check it out. So Steve, we've had a lot of meals at Disney, and some of the ones recently haven't been like spectacular. So what do you think? We're at the Rivervale Terrace. Steven's ordered loaded fries, and I ordered shrimp and grits.
I was gonna get the fried chicken plate, but I saw somebody's fry. It looks good.
Yeah,
The chicken plate looks kind of weak.
Yes. So what do you want to bet right now? We haven't ate. We have not ate.
Good. Rivervale is always good.
We're not filming this after and trying to build up, and we have not ate. So what do you think? It's going to be good or bad?
It's gonna be good.
Okay, I'm going to say it's going to be okay.
Okay.
Just okay. So do you want me to try first?
Yeah.
So I have the shrimp and grits, and it has shrimp, andouille sausage. Let's give it a try. There we go.
I like it.
Pretty good. It's not as good as Tiana's, but it's good. Loaded fries. Go ahead.
There's a pickle, onion, and fries. It's spicy, tangy, or barbecue.
Okay, I'm going to try it
With the cheese.
with the cheese sauce.
Something is real spicy. I don't know what is it.
It's the burnt end is spicy. Big bite here.
So good.
When you eat it with everything, it's very good. Okay,
Okay.
so you win.
So it's good, right?
It's good. Cheers.
Cheers. How's the wine?
The wine is actually very good. Normally Disney doesn't have good wine, but the wine is very good. Pinot Noir.
All right, I'm gonna go finish our dinner now.
Okay, we are in the New Orleans. They're all decked out for Christmas. Okay, folks, here it is, part of the wall for the queue for the Haunted Mansion. Right here, check this out. Fish and some planters. Actually quite beautiful. Nothing like the Haunted Mansion at Christmas. So impressive. And then the new queue is going to be right over there.
Okay, something interesting happened. We did the mobile order.
Royal Street Veranda. There we go.
Yeah. And for the hot chocolate, the line was crazy long. So we went ahead. There's nobody ordering there. Everybody waiting for pickup. So we went to the cashier, ordered a new one, and he said if you don't pick up, they will refund you. So, okay, look at that.
Uh-oh, it's that
No,
look.
it's really hot. It's good. I don't know the flavor, but it's very, very hot. Be careful.
Okay, that thing is definitely a winner. Wow, it's really good.
We didn't even know what we ordered.
We don't even
Let's
know
try
what we
it.
ordered.
magic of the holidays? Is it filled with warm memories just waiting to be discovered again? Now is the time to open your heart, believe in that magic, and remember those treasured moments. They're still there, deep within you, waiting to touch you once more. So come along as the magic of the season leads the way.
Special magic in you. Know your dream real. Can you remember the smell of gingerbread? Candy canes and sugar plums.
cherish the holidays forever, and always believe.
This is the free paint. It snows here. You see that? So you guys, winner get one pink. You can't see it, but anyway, that's not important. Look at the snow. Oh, chocolate 666, thank you.
So, interesting set of plans. We just saw a spectacular fireworks show, courtesy of some dear friends that let us join them in their VIP section. So now, Stephen is getting in line to get the gingerbread house popcorn bucket for cherry pie, and I'm heading over to Jolly Holiday to see if I can get in line to get some dessert and coffee, because it is freezing here tonight in Disneyland. It is very cold. As you can see, I have on a sweater, a heavy jacket, and it is still very, very cold. So we're looking for something warm. So anyway, I'm making my way over to Jolly Holiday. Let's see what happens. It's a castle for all dressed up for Christmas. I'm making my way into the hub. Let's see, I think I will go this way. We did get the gingerbread and the ornament. There they are, and we got some coffee. And like I said, as I was walking over here, it's freezing, and I think that Steve is about ready to turn into a piece of ice.
Very cold. Just like suddenly, it's like day after tomorrow that drops.
It's like, yeah, it's like very, very cold here in Anaheim tonight at Disneyland. So we got our coffee. We've got our, so we're gonna give them a shot.
Yeah, gingerbread and Mickey
Gingerbread
ornament.
and the Mickey ornament, which is really a macaroon.
It's cute.
So
People, this is iconic. Everybody come here for this. Last year they sold out so fast. This year they overstocked. They did. It's just okay, honestly. But you gotta get it because it's a Mickey shape.
it's definitely gingerbread. It's not too sweet, is it? It's good, as long as you like gingerbread.
Why do American people eat gingerbread during holiday season?
Actually, it didn't start in the United States. I think it started in Germany.
I'm definitely not in Taiwan. We don't eat this.
So we're gonna play a guessing game. It's definitely a macaroon, and I think there's chocolate in there, so. What do you think it is?
I don't know. Sorry, I'm so cold I can't think.
Peppermint.
Oh, peppermint. Okay.
It's actually pretty good. Are you half frozen or?
Better. Let's go. Let's go. Well, we hope you like today's video showing first day Christmas at Disneyland at nighttime.
He's so cold he can't even talk.
And yeah. had a good time tonight?
Yes. You can't remember what to say, can you?
So make sure you subscribe us over here, turn on the notification bell so the time and day we release our video, and follow Uncle Don
On Instagram.
Your name is Uncle Don, yes.
On Instagram at Epicurious_Uncle Don. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, everybody, and we'll try and get ourselves together.
Yes.
But right now we're going to head home to Miss Charlotte and a warm house.
Yes. Let's go.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Introducing Yibu Beauty's Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil, a luxurious custom blend crafted to elevate your skincare routine. This exquisite face oil features a harmonious fusion of natural ingredients designed to brighten, soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin. Experience the transformative power of nature as you indulge in this enchanting formula, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Embrace the essence of beauty with Yibu's Enchanted Bloom, where nature meets elegance.